So now we'll look at some of the ideas that we can use to do our independent work. Most of these ideas could be found through the papers that we study. And our ideas should be original and our work should be original, and we have to write it at least for like 20% of the content. So the broad theme that we have here that we googled was the role of Gen AI in making the banking and the financial system robust. And we found out around 13 papers. We'll go and get more if needed. For some of them, we have the PDF here in Zotero, so we can read them easily. Uh, for some of them, we can double click, go there, and read the PDF. And for the others, we won't have the PDF, so we'll keep them as is. Uh, so let me first delete any duplicates here. Okay, okay, that's good. Now we will look at, for now I don't need the creator. For now I don't need the date. So we will look at the papers that are the closest. We will look at what they have been doing and we will see what we can add, how we can take that work ahead um, on that regard. So the papers that I like, uh, there's no way to mark a note, but yes, we can mark a small note here. The papers that I like is this leveraging AI for regulatory compliance, machine learning for credit assessment, uh, challenges. Will not help us create new ideas as far as only this topic is concerned. Emerging risk. There is no heading on that, so let's open that. So this one is no, we bought the whole thing inside. Okay. So that one did not is having a lot of papers, so we have to see which one we want. Operational research and artificial intelligence method in banking. Let's see if we have the PDF. We don't have the PDF for this one, so it's going to be a little tricky for us to get that one. Let's see. No, it's an open source, so we have the content. So we can read it from here. So let's add a note here. Oh, I did it 2 times. Let's remove it. So, and what we can do ahead. So on this one we will do. On this one we will do. And so I'm going to quickly add a note. Can do ahead. Combating emerging financial risk in a big data perspective. 3.5 decades of artificial intelligence, big data, and machine learning. Favor of artificial and bank credit analysis. Let's look at this one. The impact of AI compared to the rest. The social economic impact. Okay, this is also good. I like not a lot of big proposals, but um, and what we can do ahead. Although we'll add a little bit of what could be done ahead in all the papers, but these are the ones that can do that. Can fintech improve efficiency in the bank based on big data? Do we have PDF for this one? I'm afraid not. I'm afraid not. Okay, and then this is municipal bonds and trading. Let's see. We'll liquidity enhancement. Okay, this is good. So I found like three papers on which we can add something on what we can do ahead. What can be done more on these papers? So the best paper is this one. So I'm going to open this one and we'll see what we can do. This is 17 pages and we can make notes here. We can highlight text here. We can add text. We can select area. We can draw. So one model that communication benefits, challenges, artificial intelligence, data privacy, ethical incorporation, human oversight, transparency, AI, compliance challenges, data privacy, ethical concerns, lack of future AI. So comprehensive exploration intersection between AI and regulatory compliance, fostering growth. Okay, so what we will do is we'll use, so when these papers were written, they did not use ChatGPT a lot. We will do some research based on ChatGPT and we will understand how ChatGPT can ask some of the compliance question. So we will get around 30 compliance question and we will curate them manually. So this is one idea that I got from here because our goal is to use ChatGPT and Jupyter Notebook. And then if we can find out some data, we will be using the Gen AI fine tuning. So we'll be looking at that. So let's make a note here on wherever we find something interesting. Yeah, NLP. Okay, so I'm going to add a note here. We'll be using ChatGPT to find important issues raised in .q site for compliance. Because most of my findings that I want to do it from ChatGPT. Why cannot I move this? Oh, this is okay. How can I move this? Seems like it's not allowing me to move this. Anyways, next time I'll put it on the top. So we'll be using ChatGPT and let's make a note here. Find 50 questions about compliance and curate them manually and find out accuracy. So this we would be doing here. So likewise we will be making more notes on what we can do. So our goal is to use ChatGPT and find out how it can help us in these stuff, in the regulations, and use the latest Gemini model. So compare it. Okay. So we'll do that for 2 and we will find out how it can handle in compliance. And that would be one stuff. And the other stuff that we will do, I'll make a separate work on that, would be on fine tuning and curation of models.